We're now pouring the solution inside. That's good. That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
Catch it. Don't let it touch the ground. Yeah, this is how we get down. All right, now I'm finna grab the gun.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
I got the gun.
Light as knife.
Okay, here, hold it. Here, hold it. While I'm spraying, come hold it.
Yeah.
Don't touch the screen. Just hold it here.
Okay, I see you.
You see me?
Yeah.
It's recording.
All right, I'm finna put in work now. Watch me now. Watch me now. Where he finna start just right now. Hold on, let me get a good look at it.
Get that?
Hold on, I can't see. Okay, I see now.
I need more air.
Because that thing is longer, so
It's longer.
the air take time to come through it. Make the compressor build up.
Let
It
it
was
build
low
up.
before,
Oh, okay. Let it build up
It
then.
was low before, that's why.
It's still
Come on.
Yeah, this fool been recorded. Can't believe it. How you spray Duratex. That was a nice little example. We have Mr. Donald here. How you doing, sir?
Not too bad, sir.
That's what's up. Pet Dog. And I'm BullDog. Sign off from Houston, Texas. How to spray Duratex on the speaker box.
It's recorded.